Central Industrial Security Force. Notice: recruitment of meritorious sportsmen and women to the post of Head Constable, General Duty, against Sports Quota-2025 in CISF. Dates of submission of online applications: the 18th of May 2025 to June 6, 2025. Closing date: June 6, 2025 up to 23:59 hours. Online applications are invited from eligible male and female Indian citizens for filling up 403 vacancies of Head Constable, General Duty, against Sports Quota-2025 in Central Industrial Security Force in the pay level 4. Rs. 25,500 to 81,100 plus usual allowances as admissible to the Central Government employees from time to time. On their appointment, they shall be governed under CISF Act and rules as well as Central Civil Services rules applicable to other members of the force from time to time. They shall be entitled for the pensionary benefits as per the defined contributory pension system known as the National Pension System, applicable to all employees joining service of Central Government on or after the 1st of January 2004. The recruitment process will consist of trial test, proficiency test, physical standard test, PSD, documentation, and medical examination. The salient features of the recruitment are as under. Applications will be accepted through online mode only. The recruitment shall have following 2 stages. First stage, a trial test. B, proficiency test. C, physical standard test, PSD, and D, documentation. Second stage, medical examination. Verification of required eligibility certificates / documents, including sports certificate with the originals, will be carried out at the time of documentation. Vacancies of Head Constable, General Duty, against Sports Quota will be filled on all India basis. Certificate with the originals will be carried out at the time of documentation.